Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clear your Amazon shopping cart. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Amazon shopping app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. You'll see this kind of interface after you are logged in. Now, in order to clear Amazon shopping cart, make sure that you've added items in the shopping cart. You can explore any products, go to the products that you like, open the product page and scroll down, and here you can see add to cart option. You can tap on it and this item will be added to your cart. Now in order to access your shopping cart, here you can see the cart option at the bottom. Tap on it. Now you are in your cart space. Here you can see list of items that you've added to your cart before. In order to clear your Amazon shopping cart, you can remove each item over here. In each item, you'll find the delete option. You can simply tap on this delete option. And there you go. That's how you can easily clear your Amazon shopping cart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.